It's grammar time today. Let's talk about sequence of tenses. What is this and how should we use it? There is a very interesting rule in English. If the main clause is used in the past, then subordinate clause is also used in the past. For example, he said that he loved her. He said it is the main clause. That he loves her, it is subordinate clause. As you see, both of them are used in the past. It is what we call sequence of tenses. So, we're interested in compound sentences with subordinate clause. Sequence of tenses says, if the main clause is in the past, then subordinate clause is also in the past. The question is, in which past? As we know, there are four of them. Past simple, he ate. Past continuous, he was eaten. Past perfect, he had eaten. Past perfect continuous, he had been eaten. And one more interesting, future in the past, he would eat. Which one to choose for subordinate clause? It depends on context. Let's play. For example, you are a journalist and need to take an interview and to write an article. Let's imagine that the person tells us, I analyze financial markets. And you need to say this phrase from the words of this person. He said that he analyzed financial markets. As the action happens regularly, we use past simple tense. He said that he analyzed financial markets. So, if indirect speech present simple is used, then we use past simple in indirect. Let's get another example. I'm developing a new project. It's present continuous tense. Then what should we do to use it in indirect speech? In subordinate clause, present continuous goes to past continuous. He said that he was developing a new project. We see that in sequence of tenses, present continuous goes to past continuous. Let's see what happens with the present perfect tense. For example, I have written the letter. As you can guess, present perfect goes to past perfect. For example, she said that she had written the letter. In the same way, present perfect continuous goes to past perfect continuous. I have been living here for some days and nobody knows. Nobody knew that she had been living there for some days. And what if the person tells about his future plans? For example, I will do it. In this case, in indirect speech, we use future in the past. She said that she would do it. So, the sequence of tenses demands, if the main clause is used in the past, then subordinate clause is also used in the past. I hope that the explanation is rather clear, and now we can have some practice. Look at the exercise. Your task is to open the brackets and to write sentences in indirect speech using sequence of tenses. Be attentive and remember to use the rule. Now, if you're ready, let's check your answers. The first. I knew that she had visited Madrid before, so I asked her to recommend a good hotel. The second. She promised to help me if I didn't the answer myself. The third. He said that they had known each other for many years. The fourth. I saw that at that moment she was trying to hold back her tears at. The fifth. He knew that she had cried as her eyes were red. The sixth. I asked her if she would go with me, but she said no. The 7th. I wanted to see her, but I didn't know if she was in town. That's all for now. I hope that our lesson helped you to understand better using sequence of tenses. See you soon. Bye.